In today's video, we're going to discuss the top 3 ways to use turmeric for weight loss. Turmeric is an amazing spice that has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. It's a bright yellow spice that comes from the turmeric plant, and it contains powerful anti-inflammatory properties which can help with reducing inflammation throughout your body. One of the main causes of excess fat around your organs and especially in your liver is inflammation. So turmeric can be very helpful for this reason. Now, turmeric itself does not directly burn off the fat. It doesn't melt any fat away. But what it does is it helps with speeding up your metabolism and boosting your immune system so that your body can burn off more calories while at rest. Also, turmeric can help reduce insulin resistance so that your body becomes much better at regulating blood sugar levels, which then leads to less cravings and appetite and also burning off more body fat as fuel. So let's dive into the 3 ways you can use turmeric for weight loss. The first way to use turmeric is with turmeric tea. This is one of the best ways to use turmeric because it is a very easy way to get the benefits of turmeric without having to add additional ingredients that may contain extra calories. Turmeric tea is very easy to make. You just take a small amount of fresh turmeric rhizome, or about 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric powder, and boil it in water for about 10 minutes. Then you strain the mixture. Add some lemon juice and a little bit of stevia. Berry-flavored stevia is my favorite to drink as a tea. Or you can use any other natural sweetener that you prefer. You can have up to 2 cups of turmeric tea per day. The nice thing about turmeric tea is that it is a great replacement for coffee or other types of teas that do not offer the same health benefits. Make sure you do not overheat the turmeric as this can destroy its active healing compounds called curcuminoids. To keep its potency, you want to use low heat when boiling the turmeric. Another way to use turmeric is by adding it to golden milk. Golden milk is a traditional Ayurvedic recipe that uses turmeric and other warming spices to promote circulation and boost the immune system. To make golden milk, you combine 1 cup of coconut milk with 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric, a pinch of ground ginger, and a pinch of black pepper. You want to simmer this mixture on low heat for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can turn off the heat. Add a little bit of stevia or other natural sweetener of your choice, and drink this after your evening meal. You can have up to 1 cup of golden milk each day. Many people who suffer from excess weight gain also suffer from digestive problems, and golden milk can help improve digestion by promoting the flow of bile from your gallbladder, which helps break down fats and absorb nutrients from your food. Additionally, drinking warm liquids like golden milk before bed can help you fall asleep faster. The third way to use turmeric is by adding it to your food. Adding turmeric to your food is another great way to reap its weight loss benefits. You can easily add turmeric to many dishes such as stir-fries, soups, curries, marinades, etc. As turmeric has a bitter taste and an earthy aroma, it pairs well with various ingredients. When cooking with turmeric, you want to pair it with black pepper. Black pepper enhances the bioavailability of turmeric by 2000. This means that the combination of turmeric and black pepper will work synergistically to increase the amount of curcuminoids in your body, the active healing compounds in turmeric. So when you add turmeric to your food, make sure you also add a little bit of black pepper along with it. You can also pair turmeric with other spices such as ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, and coriander. These warming spices can also aid in digestion and help with weight loss. To prevent the potential negative side effects of turmeric, such as turmeric can temporarily turn your stool orange or yellow, which can stain your underwear. You want to make sure you don't overdo it with turmeric. Stick to no more than 1 to 2 teaspoons of turmeric per day. Too much turmeric can cause digestive issues, and it can also make your urine and stool color yellow or orange. Now let's talk about some additional tips to incorporate turmeric into your daily routine. For weight loss, if you find that you cannot tolerate turmeric in large amounts or you experience digestive upset, you can use turmeric capsules. Turmeric capsules are a convenient way to get the benefits of turmeric without having to consume large quantities. Capsules allow you to control the dosage, making it easier to ensure you get the intended benefits. When choosing a turmeric supplement, look for one that contains a high concentration of curcuminoids, as these are the active compounds responsible for most of turmeric's health benefits. It's also important to choose a reputable brand that uses high-quality ingredients and has positive customer reviews. However, please note that supplements are not regulated by the FDA and should not be used as a substitute for a balanced diet and regular exercise. If you don't care for turmeric tea or golden milk, or you don't feel like cooking with turmeric, you can also get turmeric in supplement form. There are many different types of turmeric supplements out there. My favorite is liquid turmeric extract. Liquid extracts are made by soaking organic turmeric rhizome in organic alcohol. You can use vodka or you can use Everclear, which is cheaper. And then you extract the healing compounds from the turmeric. You can use up to 2 tablespoons of liquid turmeric extract per day. That's about 1 ounce. Or you can use 1 tablespoon of liquid turmeric extract twice a day. I recommend taking the liquid extract in a glass of water or in a glass of coconut water. Turmeric extract does not have any additional ingredients, unlike the capsules, which sometimes have fillers and other additives. While turmeric is a great tool to support your weight loss goals, it is important to remember that it is not a magic bullet and will not produce results on its own. For sustainable weight loss, you must follow a healthy diet and exercise regularly. Weight loss is not about taking shortcuts or using a single ingredient to achieve quick results. Instead, it's about making gradual changes to your lifestyle that you can maintain over time. Remember, your overall health and well-being should be your top priority. So focus on making sustainable changes that you can maintain long-term, rather than seeking quick fixes. One great way to support your weight loss goals along with turmeric is by intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. It's a simple and effective way to reduce calorie intake and promote weight loss. To practice intermittent fasting, you can follow a 16-by-8 method where you fast for 16 hours per day and limit your food intake to an 8-hour window. During the fasting period, you only consume things like water, coffee, tea, etc. No calories during the fasting period. During the 8-hour eating window, you can eat any healthy foods that you desire, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Intermittent fasting helps you lose weight in several ways. First, it reduces calorie intake by limiting the hours you eat in each day. By restricting your eating window, you give your body time to burn off the stored energy from the previous day, leading to increased fat burning. Second, intermittent fasting promotes the production of ketones, which are alternative energy sources produced by your liver from the fat. When glucose is in limited supply, this process is called ketosis. Ketosis forces your body to use stored fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. Third, intermittent fasting stimulates autophagy, which is a natural process where your body breaks down and recycles old or damaged cells. This process helps remove damaged cells and proteins and can lead to improved cellular health and longevity. In addition to weight loss, intermittent fasting offers many other health benefits, including improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, and improved heart health. I also recommend getting regular exercise to help speed up your metabolism and burn off excess calories. Exercise will also help reduce stress, which can lead to less cravings and overeating. Make sure you get at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity per week. You can break this up into 30 minutes of exercise 5 days a week. I also recommend following a low-carb, moderate-protein, high-fat diet. Eating fewer carbs will help lower your blood sugar levels, which will help you feel less hungry and less likely to crave sugary snacks. Eating more protein and fat will help keep you feeling full for longer periods of time. Try to eat healthy fats such as avocados, pasture-raised eggs, grass-fed butter, wild-caught salmon, raw coconut oil, and extra virgin olive oil. Healthy fats will help curb your appetite, and they will also help you feel satisfied after a meal. Also, try to avoid processed foods, refined sugars, and flour as much as possible. Instead, focus on consuming whole foods that are unprocessed, such as meats, seafood, fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and healthy oils. These whole foods are packed with essential nutrients that will help support your overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching this video on the top 3 ways to use turmeric for weight loss. As always, I will see you in the next video.